A very warm welcome to online class of St. Joseph's Academy. Children, today we are going to start chapter 17, Measures of Mass. How much something weighs depends on its mass. The more mass something has, the more is its weight. So we often use the word weight for mass. See children, the non-standard units of measurement are used in early years of learning. So the idea of non-standard measures is to focus the child on the concept of heavier, lighter, longer, shorter before they move into the next step of measuring using standard units. Now here in this chapter we are going to discuss about weight or mass that will give you idea of fixed weight. To weight something, we compare its mass with that of fixed weight using a balance. So let's start it. Now see this child children. He is in kitchen and he is watching all the things in that are in kitchen. Like pumpkin, lemon, cabbage. He hold all these things one by one. So he finds some difference. What was that difference? The difference is that they are having some weight. Hmm? So that weight, they all have different weights. That weight has to be measured. Now how can be measured? Let us see. Now see this balance children, simple balance, and electronic balance is also shown there downwards where what is mass is written. Now a scale is a measuring instrument used for determining the weight or mass of an object. Now what is the biggest difference to remember is that a balance is used to measure mass, whereas a scale is used to measure weight. Now, mass refers to the amount of matter in an object and weight refers to the force experienced by an object due to gravity. Mass remains same everywhere, whereas weight can change depending where the object is. Nowadays, there are electronic balance in many areas or in many places to measure the weight. We measure the weight of an object, our own weight also in grams and kilograms. You can see here now the weight of pumpkin is 4 kg and this is an electronic balance. See children, mass is the amount of matter a thing contains and we are already aware of the need of the standard unit to measure weights. Fixed weight used to weight light things are in grams. We write in short G. And those to weight heavy things we use kilogram and we write kg in short. You can see here different type of weights. Now these are some commonly used weights for weighing objects and all these are kilogram weights. Standard one that are approved by the government. You can see these 1 kg, 2 kg, 5 kg, 10 kg and 20 kg for measuring heavier objects. Now see children, these all are the gram weights and they help in measuring the lighter objects. Now let's see how we measure the weight of an object. Now see, if we keep an object on the pan and standard weight on the other pan, and if the pointer of the balance is aligned with the center and both the pans balance each other, it means both are equal. Now you can see here the sides are balanced when they are equal weights on both the sides. It is written there. And what is the relation of gram and kilogram? That 1 kilogram makes 1000 gram. You can see the common kilogram weights and common gram weights here. Children, we are going to understand How to measure weight with metric units in kilograms? You can see above there are three weights kept there of different sizes and different colors. The first one, that is the red one in the rectangle form, is 0.5 kg weight. The second one, the circle, it is having 1 kg weight, and the triangle is having 3 kg weight. Now see in the picture, both the pans are equal, having equal weights. Now you have to find out the weight, what weight they have. Now in the first picture, the sugar bag is kept there and one yellow color circle weight is kept. So what is the weight? You can see above. The weight of circle is 1 kg. So here the weight of sugar is also 1 kg. Both are equal. Now see the second one. One side a peacock is kept there and in the other side of the pan there are two circles in one triangle. When you will add it up, you will find the weight of peacock is also 5 kg. So 5 kg weight is kept on the one side. That means two circles having 2 kg and one triangle which is having 3 kg. When you will add it up, it is 5 kg. So the weight of peacock is also 5 kg. All the pictures are having same weight. You have to find out the weight. Now in the third picture, children, there is an infant. Now in the second one, there is a red color weight is kept there and a triangle is kept there. And what is the weight of the red color weight? See above. It is 0.5 kg. And the weight of triangle is 3 kg. So what is the weight of infant? That is 3.5 kg. Both are equal. Now in the last picture, if you see, a toy is kept there and in the other side of the pan, there is a circle and red color rectangle weight is kept there. So what is the weight? You have to find out. Now weight of the circle is 1 kg. One circle weight is having 1 kg and the red color rectangle weight is having 0.5 kg. When you will add it up, it is 1.5 kg. So the weight of toy is also 1.5 kg. Now children, we are going to understand the relationship between units of measurement, that is 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams or 1000 grams equals to 1 kg. By using this fact, we would be able to convert the weights, addition and subtraction we can do it, and other things also like multiplication and division. It will be very easy by doing this. As you know, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams, so half kg will be 500 gram and 1/4 kg will be 250 gram. Now children, I am going to give you homework. Now here on page number 136, you have to write correct weights to balance the sides. Already one example I have shown you. You have to put the weight, put the number, what number of weight you will put, so that you can balance this seesaw. So one example is also given there. 2 kg, 2 kg and 1 kg. That means total 5 kg. Now the balance is equal, so it is showing 5 kg of rice on the other side. Okay, so the same way you have to find out what weight you will put to make equivalent to the thing it is kept on the other side. Children, today we learned that weights depend on its mass. And what is the difference between mass and weight? That mass is same everywhere, whereas weight can change depending where the object is, as due to the force of gravity it changes. Also we learned that different standard units of to measure weights. We saw some commonly weights also of kilograms and grams, and we use simple balance to measure the weights of two objects. Also we learned the relationship between kilogram and gram, that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, and also we understood how to make the balance by keeping the weight equal so that we can make it equal. So practice all the exercise whatever is given, and with this I would like to say thank you.